Start initiatives such as Skill India, Startup India, and Stand Up India are aimed at releasing and realizing the entrepreneurial power of India. Through innovation, our entrepreneurs can become solution providers to many of our challenges. Their success will determine our economic future and our growth trajectory. Our academic and scientific institutions, industry, and entrepreneurs must collaborate to ensure that scientific research can move from labs to our industry, agricultural fields, incubation centers, and startups. Para Today, Dr. Harshvardhan presented to me the fuel cell prototype that has been developed by CSIR Labs in collaboration with industry. I understand that this is the first indigenous prototype and the fuel cells use hydrogen to produce electricity. It has possible use for distributed power supply and e-mobility applications. This is an example of how scientific institutions can connect with industry and business for the benefit of society. The scientific community, academic institutions, and industry are aware of the uncertainty and risks which are inherent to scientific research, innovation, and entrepreneurship. I urge you to embrace that uncertainty and take that calculated risk. There lies the possibility of developing truly transformative technologies and innovations that can help fulfill our goals as a nation, as humanity, and as a planet. I must point out here that none of your success will have any meaning without equal opportunities for our girl children. As president, I get an opportunity to attend convocations of universities and academic institutions across the country. In most of these convocations, I find that our girl students outshine the boys, winning most of the academic awards. Recently, project director of Chandrayaan 2 mission M. Vanita and its mission director Ritu Karidhal became household names. Para. Yet, on a broader level, the participation of women in science in our country is far from satisfactory. We have to take the necessary steps to ensure greater participation of girl students and of women in science and technology. When this happens, our scientific achievements will become even more wholesome and more desirable. Para. The purpose of education in its very essence is to make us a well rounded personality, a good human being, and society. We must develop interest in a range of subjects beyond our own, good scientist will become a better scientist with some knowledge of social sciences and liberal arts. Stop.